Now, CBSE has introduced case study type question in both class 10 and 12. So, here are some of the example from chapter polynomial, because in sample paper they have introduced one question case study, and from polynomial chapter it is there. So, this question, junk food is unhealthful food that is high in calories from sugar or fat with little dietary fiber, protein, vitamins, minerals or other important forms of nutritional value. A sample of few students have taken. Alpha be the number of students who take junk food and beta be the number of students who take healthy food. And relation is given between alpha and beta. And alpha and beta are zeros of the polynomial. Okay. So first we'll try to find values of alpha and beta. So x square minus 7x plus 10. If you factorize this, find number of 0, we should equate with 0. So we have minus 5x minus 2x plus 10. Okay, product should be 10 and sum should be minus 7. So from first two terms we can take x common, x minus 5 minus 2 common from these two terms, x minus 5, x minus 5, x minus 2 equal to 0. That is x minus 5 equal to 0 or x minus 2 equal to 0, x equal to 5 or x equal to 2. So one value will be alpha, one value will be beta, because these 5 and 2 both are zeros. So we'll use this condition to identify which value is alpha. So alpha is greater than beta, so alpha will be 5 and beta will be 2. But here alpha is what? Alpha is the number who take junk food. So we can write here for our reference junk food and healthy food. Beta be the number of students who take healthy food. So 2 students take healthy food. Now we'll come to the question. Question is, name the type of expression of the polynomial in the above statement. So this is the polynomial. Okay, degree 2, that is quadratic polynomial. Find the number of students who take junk food. Junk food means alpha value, and we found alpha value as 5. So our answer will be 5. Find the number of students who take healthy food. Healthy food means beta value, which is 2. Now find the quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 3, minus 3 and minus 4. So for D option, zeros are minus 3 and minus 4. We can use the formula for finding polynomial x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. So x square, alpha plus beta means minus 7 times x. Alpha beta means minus 3 into minus 4. So x square plus 7x plus 12. So this is not in the question, option. Okay. So we can go with the fourth option, that is none of these. Now next question, question number E. 1 0 of the polynomial is 2. Means suppose 2 alpha and beta are 2 zeros. Now see, for case study type question, no need to show the steps. Okay, I am just explaining for your reference. I am writing for your reference only. Because if you can get the orally, then also you can you can just click the answer, write the correct answer. Okay. So 1 0 is 2, that is alpha is supposed to, and find the other 0. Okay. Now here in this question, we can find a value if we compare x square minus 5x plus 6 with uh, standard one. A will be 1, B will be minus 5, C will be 6. Okay. So alpha plus beta value will be minus b by a, that is 5 by 1, which is 5. So alpha plus beta is 5, but alpha is 2 given. So beta will be 5 minus 2, that is 3. Okay, so other root will be 3, which is not in the option. So you can select again none of these. Okay, so this is case study question. They will give one story, and according to that they will ask the question from your textbook itself. The concept and questions, only the values will be changed, but the concept will be from the textbook itself. Now this question is given in sample paper. Application of parabolas, highway, overpass, underpass. Parabola is the graph that results from this polynomial. Parabolas are symmetric about a vertical line known as the axis of symmetry. This is axis of symmetry. Runs through the maximum or minimum point of the parabola. So, and that is called vertex. Okay, if parabola is like this, then this will be your maximum point. If parabola is like this, that will be minimum point. Sometimes it can be like this also. So this vertex will be minimum point. So we don't bother about that. Only we need to think with this expression only. That is our quadratic polynomial. Now we'll come to the question. If highway overpass is represented by x square minus 2x minus 8, then zeros are. So we have to find zeros. So what will be the factor? Minus 8 should be product and minus 2 should be the sum. So minus 4 plus 2 we can take. Minus 4x plus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. X we can take common from the first two term. Then 2 we can take common x minus 4. X minus 4 x plus 2 equal to 0. So if we equate this with 0, we'll get 4 and minus 2 as the answer, which is option 2. Now highway overpass is represented graphically. Zeros of a polynomial can be expressed graphically. Number of zeros of polynomial is equal to the number of point where the graph of the polynomial cuts the x-axis, intersect the x-axis. This is the concept from exercise 2.1. Okay, where from graphically we need to find the zeros here. Okay, so this is the answer. Graph of a quadratic polynomial is parabola. Representation of highway underpass whose 1 0 is 6 and sum of zeros is 0. Sum of zeros is 0 means alpha plus beta is 0 and alpha is 6 suppose. So beta will be minus 6. So alpha beta we can write 6 into minus 6, that is minus 36. Why? Because to represent in polynomial form we can use this one, sum into x plus product of zeros. But sum is 0, so this term will vanish here. Product is 36, so minus 36. So second is the option. Number of zeros that polynomial can have. Now degree of the polynomial decides the number of zero. So if degree is 2, the number of 0 at most will be 2, isn't it? So say this second is your option. So this is the two case study questions are there. I hope you understood.